Latest 200 Modern Kitchen Designs 2023. Top kitchen cabinets and kitchen decor ideas for 2023 to transform your space. Just keep watching. Hey everyone, and welcome back to your channel, HD Interiors, where we bring you the latest and greatest in home design and renovation. Today, we're diving into the heart of the home, the kitchen. Specifically, we'll be exploring the best modern kitchen cabinet ideas and modern kitchen decor, bringing you the most stylish and innovative ideas to transform your cooking space for 2023. If you're looking to transform your kitchen into a stylish and functional space, you've come to the right video. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the exciting world of modern kitchen cabinets, let's take a moment to understand why they play such a crucial role in your kitchen design. Cabinets not only provide storage solutions, but also serve as a focal point, setting the tone for the entire space. The right cabinets can elevate your kitchen's aesthetics while maximizing functionality. Our first trend for 2023 is all about sleek and minimalist designs. Clean lines, handle-less cabinets, and hidden storage options are taking center stage. Say goodbye to cluttered countertops, and hello to a sleek, clutter-free kitchen. These minimalist cabinets create a seamless and sophisticated look, giving your kitchen a contemporary feel. While minimalist designs are popular, we understand that some of you may still appreciate a touch of traditional charm. That's why our next trend combines modern functionality with classic elements. Shaker-style cabinets are making a comeback, offering a timeless look that complements a variety of kitchen styles. Moving on, we have a trend that adds a burst of color and personality to your kitchen: bold cabinet finishes. In 2023, we're seeing an influx of vibrant colors and finishes that break away from the traditional neutrals. From deep blues to striking yellows, these eye-catching cabinets become the focal point of any kitchen, creating a statement that reflects your unique style. If you're someone who prefers a more subtle approach, our next trend might be right up your alley. Two-toned cabinets are gaining popularity, offering a visually appealing contrast that adds depth and character to your kitchen. By combining light and dark shades, you create a sense of balance and intrigue in your space. Now, let's talk about open shelving, a trend that has taken the design world by storm. Open shelves provide an opportunity to showcase your favorite dishes, cookbooks, and decorative items, while adding an airy and spacious feel to your kitchen. They also encourage you to stay organized and maintain a clutter-free environment. Open shelving not only creates a sense of openness, but also offers a chance to display your beautiful kitchenware and decor pieces. Say goodbye to upper cabinets, and hello to carefully curated open shelves, showcasing your favorite dishes, glassware, and plants. This trend allows you to infuse your personality into your kitchen while adding functionality. Next, let's talk about smart kitchens. With technology advancing rapidly, our kitchens are becoming smarter and more intuitive. Imagine controlling your appliances with just your voice, or remotely accessing your refrigerator's inventory while grocery shopping. Smart lighting, automated faucets, and touchless features are all part of the modern kitchen experience. Embrace this trend and make your cooking space truly futuristic. Our most important trend in 2023 is all about clever storage solutions. With the rise of smaller living spaces, optimizing every inch of your kitchen becomes crucial. From pull-out pantry cabinets to hidden compartments, modern kitchen cabinets are designed to maximize storage capacity and keep your kitchen organized. Now, let's move on to a trend that's gaining popularity: biophilic design. Biophilic kitchens bring the outdoors in, incorporating elements of nature into the space. Imagine having living walls with fresh herbs, large windows that flood the kitchen with natural light, and earthy textures like stone or wood. This design approach not only adds beauty, but also promotes a sense of well-being and connection with nature. Now let's dive into the latest kitchen decor ideas for 2023. Continuing our journey through modern kitchen decor, we can't overlook the rise of mixed metals. Gone are the days of sticking to one metal finish throughout your kitchen. In 2023, it's all about mixing and matching metals to create a unique and personalized look. Combining stainless steel appliances with copper accents, or brass fixtures with black matte finishes, adds depth, visual interest, and a touch of luxury to your kitchen. Let's talk about the importance of lighting in modern kitchen decor. In 2023, lighting goes beyond mere functionality and becomes a statement piece in itself. Pendant lights above the kitchen island, under cabinet lighting for task areas, and recessed lighting to highlight specific features, all contribute to creating a warm and inviting ambiance. Don't be afraid to experiment with different lighting fixtures and styles to find what suits your kitchen best. Glass cabinet doors. Give your kitchen a touch of elegance with glass cabinet doors. Display your favorite dishes, glassware, or collectibles behind the glass, adding a sense of sophistication and creating an open and airy feel. Hanging pot rack. Maximize your kitchen's functionality and visual appeal by installing a hanging pot rack. Not only does it free up cabinet space, but it also adds a rustic charm. Showcase your beautiful cookware while keeping everything within arm's reach. Stylish bar stools. Upgrade your seating area with stylish bar stools. Choose designs that complement your kitchen's aesthetic, whether it's modern, industrial, or eclectic. Not only do they provide comfortable seating, but they also serve as a fashionable accent piece. Statement rug. Don't forget about the floor. A statement rug can completely transform your kitchen's look and feel. Opt for a rug with bold colors, geometric patterns, or even playful prints to add a touch of personality underfoot. Wall art. Elevate your kitchen decor with eye-catching wall art. Hang paintings, prints, or even vintage signs that reflect your passion for cooking or food. It's a fantastic way to infuse your personality into the space. Vintage accessories. Bring a touch of nostalgia into your kitchen with vintage accessories. Display antique teapots, retro radios, or even old-fashioned scales. These unique pieces will give your kitchen a charming and timeless appeal. Patterned backsplash. Tired of plain tiles? Consider a patterned backsplash to add character and visual interest to your kitchen. Choose from geometric designs, intricate mosaics, or even bold patterns that make a statement. Chalkboard wall. Why not turn one of your kitchen walls into a functional and creative space? Paint it with chalkboard paint, and you'll have the perfect spot to jot down recipes, grocery lists, or even leave fun messages for your family. We hope you enjoyed today's video. and found inspiration for your kitchen renovation project. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting home design content. And if you have any questions or ideas for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy renovating.